How to get $300 Uber promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Uber promo codes and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. You can go through any of these websites as all these websites will provide you promo codes for Uber. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, CNN website. Once you open it, you're gonna find tons of coupon codes. Also, you're gonna find great deals and offers. You can just scroll and check $20 off, $15 off, $6 off, 50% off, and many more. If you're interested in any of the coupon code and want to use it, all you have to do is click on it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. Now you can copy this code, head towards the website of Uber, book a ride, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option of Go to Store. With that, you will be directed to the login page of Uber. Now you can type in your credentials and log into your Uber account. Book your ride, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Also try out these offers. Likewise, you can also check out these websites, as in this website as well you're gonna find tons of Uber promo codes. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily get up to $300 Uber promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.